Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own face mask, and if it is your first time here, you are welcome to my channel. I do have a video that I uploaded just a couple of days ago showing you how to make your own hand sanitizers. A very quick video, and I will put a link below this video to take you there. And I hope that you stay safe as much as you can and stay home as much as is possible for you. The one I'm going to be showing you is reversible, but you want to just use one side of the mask inside you all the time or outside. It's actually really comfortable. I can talk comfortably and I can breathe comfortably too. So and I think it's pretty. I'm smiling, but you wouldn't know now, would you? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and will make a couple for yourself, and probably anyone who knocks on your door, you just hand them a face mask plus a hand sanitizer. So that will be nice. Inside your ear, and this goes inside your ears. Time to hit the road. No. Time to stay at home now. Time to stay at home.